Let's take a look at using unroll.me to help organize your subscription or other promotional emails that you're getting. This can really help with your workflow, let you focus only on emails that come to your inbox that are relevant to projects or clients that you're working with, and maybe not be interrupted by promotional or other emails that come in. So this is a free service. It provides what they call a roll-up, which is basically a digest of all of these emails. And you can also select when you get that digest email. So if you're new to this, you can grab one of the apps or otherwise just set up your account here, click sign up, and you can sign in with any of these types of accounts. I've already got an account, so I am going to just log in. So this is a really great service, though when you first set it up, you need to teach it what emails you want to go into your roll-up. So the first time that you set this up, it's going to walk you through, it goes through your email, it takes a little bit of time, and pulls out the emails that it thinks are probably promotional or subscription type emails. You'll then walk through a wizard that will ask you, do you want to add this email to your roll-up? So then each time that email comes in, it's actually just going to pull it from your inbox and put it into this roll-up. So the roll-up is pretty great. There's a couple of different ways you can view it, grid style or card style, but a really, really great format for just skimming these emails really quickly and reading any that you want. You can click on these and read them, but it's just a kind of a quick overview. You can just scroll through and see all of these emails. You can also go through and edit any subscriptions. So there's certain emails here that are all set to go to roll up. There's some that I've allowed to go to my email inbox, and there's some that I've unsubscribed to in here. So these are a great source of keeping emails that you don't want to unsubscribe from, but that you just want to check once a day. And so one of the things under settings, you can actually set for your roll-up to come in the morning, the afternoon, or the evening. I like mine in the morning. That does mean that I see yesterday's promotional emails the next day, which is fine by me because none of these are ever urgent. And then you can set a couple other quick things, like if you wanted the default view to be list view or grid view. But it's really, really pretty straight ahead. So I highly recommend this service. You just go to unroll, UNROLL.me to set up your free account. And again, really, really great system to help you better manage emails that aren't necessarily urgent, but that you still want to see. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for your support.